I have been trying to look after my skin. I just want to say one thing before I go ahead is that I really don't endorse anything that I don't believe in and that I haven't tried and tested and don't love. This product here, they're just raving about it. I have used it already and I love it. Probably one of the best exfoliators I've ever used, and it doesn't strip my face, it doesn't dry it out, and it feels beautiful once you rinse it all off and your skin feels smooth and beautiful. This is it, BOA. Wet my face. I'm just gonna spread it. Now I'm just gonna start rubbing, and this will take away all my dead skin cells. Oh, I can feel them already. Crazy. Can you see all those dead skin cells? Now I'm going to wash it off. Smooth as a little baby's bottom, and I forgot what that feels like. So the whole idea is to use it once or twice a week, because once you take your dead skin cells off, if you use it too soon, you won't have any to remove again. It is lovely, and now I shall just put a bit of a moisturizer on. I really actually do love this product, and it will last a long time because it's got a lot in it and you don't use much. But this is BOA by BOA Skincare. I recommend it.